Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be tackling some exam style questions based on the topic of aqueous ions reacting in solution. So let's get started. A solution of iron 3 sulfate has the same concentration as a solution of iron 2 sulfate, which will have the lower pH. So this is a very simple question to start, and it just means recalling that because of the higher charge density on iron 3 ions, then their complex ions are more acidic, so the iron 3 sulfate is going to be the one with the lower pH. So this gets us the 1 mark for this simple question. So now let's have a look at question number 2, which asks us to define the term amphoteric and write 2 equations demonstrating the amphoteric nature of aluminium hydroxide. These equations can be ionic. So the definition of amphoteric is that a substance can act as both an acid and a base. And then as far as aluminium hydroxide goes, we know that this can be shown as a complex ion with 3 water ligands around it and 3 OH minus ligands around it, and this means it has no overall charge. So if we want to show this acting as a base, we can show it reacting with hydrochloric acid, and it's going to react with hydrochloric acid within a ratio of 3 to 1, because the hydrochloric acid is going to provide the protons, which are going to turn this aluminium hydroxide back into an aluminium complex ion that has 6 water ligands around it. We also need to remember to include the chloride ions in this equation, so it's balanced. So this has shown the aluminium hydroxide acting as a base, so we want to write another equation that will show the aluminium hydroxide acting as an acid, and then this will demonstrate that it is amphoteric. You'll recall from the video that aluminium hydroxide can react with 1 mole of hydroxide ions, which are obviously basic, and it's going to displace all of the other water ions, forming aluminium with 4 hydroxide ions around it, which has a 1 minus charge, and then we're also going to release our 3 moles of water. So now we've shown that aluminium hydroxide reacting both with an acid and with the basic hydroxide ions, so we've shown it has acidic and basic behaviour.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, just click the snap revise smiley face here. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.